Are you interested in buying a property in San Diego? If so, what kind of financing you use can have a huge impact on what property you buy and how much money you might spend. I'm Wannebo with San Diego Real Estate and Investments. Whether you are a first-time homebuyer or an experienced real estate investor, using the right type of financing can make all the difference in saving you thousands of dollars when buying a property. So let me ask you a question. Do you know what type of loans are available for you? If you're interested in speaking further, I highly recommend setting up a free consultation with myself or one of my buyer agent team members. But in the meantime, I wanted to share with you briefly some information on buying a home with FHA financing. So here we go. Some of the advantages of buying a property with FHA financing are as follows. First, you can put as little as 3.5% down for your down payment. This is much lower than some conventional loans, and FHA loans are available on properties of 4 units and less as long as it's owner occupied. You can also get your down payment in the form of a gift money or from a down payment assistance program and can receive up to 6% in closing costs from a seller. FHA loans are also much more flexible in that you can have lower credit scores and high debt to income ratios in order to be eligible to get a loan. You also might be able to get a loan in some instances within 2 years after a bankruptcy or 3 years with a foreclosure. This program is not just for first-time homebuyers, and there are typically no prepayment penalties, but the property must be owner-occupied. But you can have co-signers that are not owner-occupants. There are also no income limits for the buyer, meaning you don't have to worry about being able to get an FHA loan even if you make a lot of money. Some items to be aware of with FHA financing are as follows. You must know that the property cannot have any health or safety issues. This could include anything from exposed wiring, flaky paint, or a non-working heater. These are things that could get called out from an FHA appraiser who also does an inspection of the home, so you want to be aware of them. Another item is the fact that you will have to pay a premium for having mortgage insurance on the property. This is a cost that adds on to your mortgage payments that may not be found on other types of loans. An FHA loan is not for investment properties that you do not plan to live on. You can use this loan for multi-unit properties up to 4 units, but you must live in one of the units. You also have to make sure that if you're buying a condo or a home in a planned community, that the property is approved by the FHA lender. This can be found out by looking in advance on the FHA website for this. Once you are aware of some of the aspects of using an FHA loan to buy a property, and you have been qualified by a mortgage broker to use this type of loan, you are on your way to finding a property that is not only right for you, but you can get a loan on as well. So now I've shared with you just a few of the things to be aware of when using FHA loans, but there are a lot more. If you'd like to work with a top professional team, give me or one of my buyer agents a call to set up an appointment, and I will share with you all of my resources for getting started in the process of getting an FHA loan. It's important to be working with a broker and a team who knows the ins and outs of buying a home in today's market. So give me a call and set up your free, no obligation consultation. I also have other home buying informational videos for you if you'd like. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to meeting with you.